Hello guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to create multiple YouTube channel on a single account. So it is very easy. Just we need to click on the user profile image, and here we'll see switch account option, and we need to click on the view all channels. Once we click on the view all channels, then we will get our already created channels link, and we will get a option to create a new channel. So we need to click on this one, then we need to we need to add our channel name, and yeah. So now our new channel is going to create, and yeah, now our new channel is created. You can see this is our channel name, and if you want any of the customization in the channel name and anything, then we can do from here, customize channel. Thank you.